Hi and welcome to this class. In this video lesson, we are going to learn about object literals. So what exactly are object literals? Well, object literals are also like variable, but these can store many value inside them just like arrays. But there is one big difference here. These object literals store value in key value pair. Let me show you an example. So I will create an object literal here. So let person is equal to, and this is how we create an object literal. We use these braces and then the semicolon at the end, and I'll go in between and I'll hit enter, and inside of them I'll type in some keys. So this first name will be my key, and then I will type column, and this will be my value. So my first name is Shubham, so this is my key. This first name is the key and this Shubham is the value. So this is key value pair. Okay, now we will separate this key value pair with comma. Okay, and then I will type in another key and the value for that key, and then I will type in another key, that is age, and my age is 18 years. The next one will be hobbies. So there is one thing that I would like to point out here is that we can also assign arrays or objects to a key. So right now I'm going to assign an array to this hobbies key, and I like playing chess, so the first value will be chess. And I like coding, so I will type in coding, so coding. And I like making videos, so video making. Okay, now I will separate this with a comma. I'm going to print this object literals using the console log statement. So console dot log, and I will copy this person, I will paste it over here, and then I will save this, and I will go to my Chrome and I will refresh this, and you will see our object literals just right here. So this first name is the key and Subham is the value for this key. This last name is a key and the Subham is a value. This age is a key and 18 is a value, and this hobbies is also a key, and this array of chess, coding and video making is the value. Okay, now how can we access the first name of this person? So to access the first name of this person, we can use this dot, and then we can use first name just like that. And then I will save this, and then I will refresh this over here, and then you will see Shubham right here. Now to access the last name, I can use the last name here, and then I will save this and I will refresh this, and you will see my last name. And again, to access the age, we can use age, and then we can save this and we can go back to Chrome and we can refresh this, and it will show us the age. And what if we want to access the coding of this hobbies? Well, as I've taught you in the previous video, you can use this hobbies right here, and then to access the first index we use this bracket, square bracket, and then I will type in number 1, and then I will save this and I will refresh this over here, and it will say coding. Okay, now what if I want to add another key and value to this person? Well, to do that, I can type in person dot, and this email is my new key, and the value for this key will be hi Shubham Saurabh at gmail.com. And if I console log this, so console.log, and if I print this person key value pair of object literal, and if I refresh this after saving it, you will see the email right here. Okay, now I want to show you another way of accessing the value. The first way was using the dot and then the key of the object literal, and now the second way is using this square bracket, and inside that square bracket we type in the first name. And if I save this and then if I refresh this, then you will see Subham right here. So we can also access our value like this, or we can also access our value just like this. Now before I let you go, I want to show you how you can assign an object literal to the key of an object literal. Let me show you what I mean. So I will place a comma here, and now I will create a new key, and the key will be address, and this address will be an object literal. So the value of the address will be an object literal. Now let me punch in some key and value pair here. So city will be Samastipur, and the state will be Bihar, and let me just place a comma right there. And if I save this, and if we print the entire object literal, then you will see the results. So this is our result. The value of an address is the object literal, and these are the value. Now what if I want to access the city of this address? So to do that, we can type person dot address dot city. Yes. And if I save this, and if I go back to Chrome, and if I refresh this, then you will see Samastipur just right there. So I hope you understood everything I taught you today, and that's gonna be it from me for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.